On May 10, 2025, the Bluetooth blog posted, "How QR codes can help you connect to an Auracast broadcast." For those of you who doesn't know Auracast Broadcast Audio is a new Bluetooth capability that lets an audio transmitter such as a smartphone or laptop broadcast audio to an unlimited number of audio receivers such as headphones or hearing aids. It lets you share your audio with friends and family, unmute silent TVs in public spaces, and hear your best wherever you go, according to the blog post. You can connect to an Auracast broadcast by scanning a QR code with your smartphone. This scan-to-listen experience is probably a new feature to most of you, but some older Xperia phones have supported it for quite a while, and we'll show you how it works. In the previous video, we demonstrated how LE Audio and Auracast work on a Xperia 5 Mark V running Android 13, a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra running One UI 6.0, and a Google Pixel 8 Pro running Android 14. In this video, we'll use a Xperia 5 Mark V and One Mark VI, both running Android 14. For your information, this video was recorded back on October 2024. Now we have a Xperia 5 Mark V running Android 14 on the left half of the screen, and a Xperia 1 Mark VI running Android 14 on the right. You can check the models, Android versions, and build numbers here. In device details, we have Link Buds S connected to the 5 Mark V and Earfun Air Pro 4s to the 1 Mark VI. LE Audio and Receive shared audio options are active for both connections. In developer options, Show LE Audio toggle in device details is active. Use system selection is selected since this section only shows the A2DP codecs, and LC3 is used for LE Audio no matter what codec is selected here. Now we are going to play some music on the One Mark VI, and you can hear it from the Air Pro 4s. We'll start the Auracast broadcast and the Air Pro 4s automatically switch to broadcast. What you are listening to from the earbuds is broadcasted. You can see the broadcast name, password, and the QR code for it. Then we'll open up Broadcast menu and select Find Broadcasts on the 5 Mark V. The broadcast name appears and is encrypted. When you select it, you'll be asked for the password. This time we'll just cancel it and use Scan QR code. If you successfully scan the QR code with the camera on the 5 Mark V, the Link Buds S will join the broadcast. Hitting Leave Broadcast on the 5 Mark V stops the music from the Link Buds S. Hitting Stop on the 1 Mark VI kills the broadcast, but the Air Pro 4s will switch to Unicast and keep the playback until you stop it from the music app. We started Auracast from the 1 Mark VI. Let's do it again from the 5 Mark V. We play some music on the 5 Mark V, and you'll hear it from the Link Buds S. Open up Broadcast menu and select Broadcast to start it. Broadcast name, password, and the QR code appear on the screen. The Link Buds S will switch to broadcast accordingly, and continue the playback. Then open the broadcast menu on the One Mark 6 and select Find Broadcasts. You'll be asked for the password when you select the broadcast. Instead of using the QR code, we'll enter the password this time. The Air Pro 4s will start the playback and keep it until you hit Leave Broadcast. Hitting stop on the 5 Mark 5 kills the broadcast, but Link Buds S switch to Unicast and retain the playback until you stop it from the music app. What we've seen so far is one person listens to the music on the Air Pro 4s connected to the One Mark 6, and the other person listens to the same music on the Link Buds S connected to the 5 Mark 5. With Auracast, you can share the music without connecting multiple earbuds to a single smartphone. What's the point? You can retain the full connection and control between your earbuds and your own smartphone, so that each person can adjust the volume without affecting others while listening to the same music. For example, we've tested a Galaxy S24 Ultra running One UI 6.1 as well. We'll show you the screen record from it on the right half, and the Xperia 5 Mark 5 stays on the left. For your information, this video was also recorded back on October 2024. You can check model name, One UI version, Android version, or build number here. The Earfun Air Pro 4s are connected to the S24, and LE audio option is turned on. As you can see, there is Listen to Auracast Broadcast in the device details. We can pull down the menu from the top right corner on the Bluetooth settings, and tap Broadcast Sound using Auracast. Tapping Start Broadcast will initiate the broadcast, and the Air Pro 4s join it immediately. You can see the name and password for the broadcast, but no QR code provided. Then we'll open the broadcast menu on the 5 Mark 5, and find broadcasts. Unlike the Xperias, the Galaxy doesn't provide the QR code, and we need to enter the password manually. The broadcast name somehow appears to be unknown, but the Link Buds S join the broadcast, anyway. It's all set, and we start playing some music on the S24. You can hear it from both the Air Pro 4s and the Link Buds S. When you tap Leave Broadcast on the 5 Mark 5 and the music stops from the Link Buds S. When you stop the playback on the S24, the music stops but the broadcast continues until you hit Stop Broadcast. We confirmed one way, let's try the other way. We'll start playing some music on the 5 Mark 5 and start broadcasting. You'll hear the music coming from the Link Buds S. Now we want to listen to the music on the Air Pro 4s as well. You need to look into the device details on the S24 and tap Listen to Auracast Broadcast. Select the broadcast name and enter the password. The Air Pro 4s are joining the broadcast and playing the shared music. If you want to stop it, you'll simply tap Leave. When you hit Stop from the broadcast menu on the 5 Mark V, the broadcast ends, but the Link Buds S will switch to Unicast and continue the playback until you stop it from the music app. This is all we have for now. We confirmed the Xperia 1 Mark 6 and 5 Mark V running Android 14 support LE Audio and Auracast with a QR code. The Galaxy S24 Ultra running One UI 6.1 support LE Audio and Auracast, but no QR code. We've tested a Google Pixel 9 Pro behind the video, but it didn't support Auracast at the time of the recordings. We hope more devices will support these features. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.